School Freeware's Visual Basic Express 2010 tutorials. Tutorial 37, Hit Detection. EZInvaders, Part 6. Before we get to the code for hit detection, within the form, once again, let's go over some of the properties and coordinates. As the object moves to the right, the x-coordinate increases, and as an object moves down the form, the y-coordinate increases. Here we have an object, it happens to be a red ball, and within some of the properties of the ball, we have left, width, height, and top. So if we wanted to find the ball's right side, we would use ball.left plus ball.width, and we would find the right side coordinate. The same thing can go for the ball's bottom. Take the ball's top, add the ball's height, and you'll receive the ball's bottom coordinate. Here we have two objects. We have a shot and we have an invader that is within the picture box. So if we wish to find if the shot hits the invader, we would have to find the extremes on all four sides. So here for the shot, we'll start off at the top. We'd have the shot's top plus the shot's height has to be greater than or equal to the invader's top, or in this case picture box 1.top. So that would mean that all this area here would indicate a hit. Now we would have to find this same extreme on the bottom of the invader. So the shot's top has to be less than or equal to the invader's top plus the invader's height. For the sides, we have a shot left plus shot width has to be greater than or equal to the side of this invader. And for the other extreme, we'd have to make sure that the shot's left is less than or equal to the invader, or in this case the picture box, dot left plus the picture box dot width. So this is the code, and I'll just go ahead and make this a little bit larger. So here we have the shot's top plus the shot's height, which would equal the shot's bottom, has to be greater than or equal to the picture box's top. And the shot's top has to be less than or equal to the picture box's bottom, which is found by picture box.top plus picture box.height. And now we'll have to go find the right and left side. So we have and shot.left plus the shot.width, which would be the shot's right side, has to be greater than or equal to the picture box's left side. And the shot's left has to be less than or equal to the picture box's left plus picture box's width, which would be the picture box right side. So within the code, I have added a sub here, check hit, and I made the sub down here at the bottom where we have the if statement, if, and then the code view this scene, shot.top plus shot.height greater than or equal to picture box 1.top and shot.top less than or equal to picture box 1.top plus the picture box 1.height and shot.left plus shot.width greater than or equal to picture box 1.left and shot.left less than or equal to picture box 1.left plus picture box 1.width. Then we know there's a hit and we could go ahead and do something. So here I'll just put in picture box 1.visible equals false. Next I'll have the timer stop, so timer main dot enabled equals false. I'll have the shot disappear, so shot dot visible equal false, and I'll have a message box stating Earth is saved. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'll just double check to see if I like to change this invader speed a little bit. For the time being, I'll just put it as a speed of 2, and I'll increase the shot speed to 10, so that way the invader will be more of a sitting duck, easier to shoot down for testing purposes. And I'll just fire away at it. Yeah, there it hits, perfect. Earth is saved. Now there's one little problem within this code, and that is here within the form main design. If I were to move this shot over to the area here where the invader is going to move right into it, even though the shot is invisible to us, it still exists as far as the computer is concerned. So when I go ahead and run, the invader hits the shot even though we don't see the shot or I haven't fired yet. So therefore I'm going to have to modify the code a little bit. Down here where we check hit, to add another AND statement. So AND shot dot visible equal true. Then of course we have fired the shot, so the computer will ignore an invisible shot there, and the invader should pass right straight through the invisible shot, which it does, and now I can fire away and shoot the invader down.